Hello, my name is Pedro, and today I'd like to talk about the future of our industry together. In the past few years, we have seen so many changes, but together with innovation and sustainability and accessibility, we have been able to overcome so many problems together.
In-person events is all about the experiences that you create that people will remember. And it's so much more than the events venue. It's everything that you put together in one piece.
It's about immersive experiences that start from the doorstep of the attendee to the destination point, encompassing housing, hospitality, and logistics.
InEvent has been at the forefront of the merger between event tech and travel tech. We have brought innovation to the way event professionals can manage attendance flights and shuttle, check in their luggage with a QR code when traveling to a corporate event.
InEvent is key in helping you create customizable in-person events and using a technology to support all your elements throughout this in-person journey. As the world is changing, we're changing with it. And we're delivering a number of new functionalities to help you create the best in-person experiences you can.
We're announcing today our V&H Pro plan, the plan that's designed for in-person events only for most. Together with them, they join the V&H Advanced and the V&H Full plans, which enable virtual and also hybrid meetings on the InEvent platform. We've listened to hundreds of customers, and all of them shared the same thing with us. In-person events are back, and they are the future of what they're looking to do together. So we launched this new plan as a landmark on what we believe is going to be the interactions for the next 3 years. We're improving our suite of products so we can innovate together, and we listen to what the customer is looking for the next few years.
And go beyond.
Go beyond with InEvent.